Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to withdraw money from MetaTrader 5 to bank account. First of all, open the MetaTrader 5 app on your device. Then sign up for your account. I have already signed up. Now pay attention. You cannot withdraw money directly from MetaTrader 5. So, in order to withdraw money from MT5, you first need to transfer USD or any other cryptocurrency to your XNES account or any other account you are using. You need to click on Deposit and transfer your selected cryptocurrency from MetaTrader 5 to your XNES account. Once the funds have been received in your XNES account, you can simply click on the Withdraw option and transfer the money directly to your bank account. As of now, this is the only way to withdraw money from MetaTrader 5 to your bank account. Thanks for watching another video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a daily drop.